Ian from Lean Media. I've been publishing on Amazon for more than 10 years, and today I'm going to walk you through the process of how to cancel an Amazon Advantage purchase order. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. I've logged into Amazon Advantage, and you can see I have one new purchase order. So to cancel it, here's what I'm going to do. Click Confirm, and then you'll be brought to this screen. Select it, and then Open Selected POs. Now, the way that this works is you can either cancel individual items or individual ASINs within the purchase order, or you can just do everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of them, and then where it says expected quantity, I'm going to change them all to 0. And by the way, the reason why I'm doing this is because my packing units for this particular title, it's units of 50. So if it's less than 50, it's just no point in me doing it because I have to break up basically the shipping containers. So it's all set to 0 for all of them, and then I'm going to click submit, and then it's gone. And later on, if you look at this purchase order, basically it just won't have any items with it. Amazon gets it that you're not shipping units in. They don't penalize you officially, but I'm not sure if there's some impact on some sort of score that they have in the background. But I've been doing this for years usually when the purchase order is too small, and they still send me big purchase orders. And, I have reasons for doing it, and maybe you do too, so that's how I do it. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me. If you go to my official website, leanmedia.org, click on blog and search for Advantage, you'll see all kinds of posts about using Amazon publishing programs, including Amazon Advantage and Amazon KDP. Thank you so much for watching.